So still only 16 students. All of you, I request you all to please write your section after your name.
Sir,
Class
written.
Okay, sir.
7B and 7th.
Sir, written.
7C students, most of them have written. 7th A and B, please do it. Write your class and section after the name. Yeah, so
Sir, we will do revision or we will continue chapter.
you have any of you, if you have any doubts, you can ask me now in maths. On 5th, you have
No,
your test.
sir.
No doubts. No doubts in maths.
No, sir.
No doubts.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I will give you some questions. Okay, I will share my screen. And you have to do these questions if you don't have any doubts. Really, 7th A and B. Anyone? No doubts? Please mention your class and section. I told you after your name, everyone. Edit your names, rename yourself, and after the name, you can mention your class and section. I want to just see how many. I have to take the screenshot for the attendance. So it would be difficult for me to identify. Agrim Saxena, please mention your class and section after the name. Mayank Yadav, you also. Nandini Pachori, you also can edit your name at the class and section. Raj Nandini. Your name is Raj Nandini or Nandini only? The full name is Raj Nandini.
Sir, Raj Nandini. Yes.
Or we call it as Nandini.
Sir, you can call me anything. Anyway.
So what we are doing today?
Can we call you Raj?
Okay, sir. Sir, my friends call me Raju, Kaju, and Smriti ma'am say Nandu, so I don't feel bad. I feel more good.
Your name calls you Nandu.
Smriti ma'am calls me Nandu.
Excuse me, sir.
Ranjit sir calls me Raj, and Palak ma'am say me sorry.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, better Nandu.
Sir, I just joined it. Can you please tell what we are doing? And what is written on the board?
Planning to date in the class, we have already done 10 questions. We have discussed 10 questions already.
So, sir, we have to write this in our copy.
No, this is of class 5. Okay. Let me.
Yeah.
So, don't want this. So not for So I'm going to share some questions, extra questions for practice. You all will do these questions on Tuesday, I think Tuesday or Wednesday. You have your test maths test. Wednesday, I think.
Yes, sir, on
Sir,
Wednesday.
of which chapter?
Huh? You have your maths syllabus. It is of unitary method
Yes,
and
sir.
Oh, sir, I thought you
And
are
The
linear
unitary
equation.
saying
method
about
and linear equation.
not
a
class.
test apart from UT2.
I'm talking about the UT2 test, not a class test. So, yeah, I'm ready with the questions. You all can start. I'm going to share my screen.
Sir, we also have to write questions.
Yes, you have to note down the questions and then do in your copies.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what we are doing, I got disconnected.
We are doing revision questions. These questions are there on your screen. I have shared my screen. You have to note down these questions. These are only 2 questions. I have more. So first note down these 2 questions.
Okay, sir.
You have to do these questions in your copy. Note down the questions and then start doing the questions. Let me tell you one more time that I told you before also that the questions that we are doing discussing here in the revision classes, they may come or the same type of questions may come in your test. Okay. So if you are attending the class, you are in a
So these questions are so much easy.
it's good that you are finding these questions.
Yes,
easy.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, written the questions.
Very good.
Sir, can I write answers or you will go more questions?
I have more questions. Have you all written both these questions?
Okay, sir.
Then the third one. If you have not written, you can take a screenshot quickly.
Sir.
I will do the third one, and then the fourth and fifth one also is there.
Sir, can you send these questions on your WhatsApp group?
You can take a screenshot. This is your third one.
Sir, I have find the answer.
Okay, I'm sharing these questions in your class groups also. I'm sharing these questions in your class groups. Okay, these are 5 questions. I've shared them in your class groups.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Sir, in this question.
Written this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, which question?
It is on your screen. This is the third one. There is also the fourth and fifth one. This is fourth and fifth. These are fourth and fifth. You can find the questions in your class groups also. In your maths exam, you will get 4 questions in subjective part of the paper. The subjective paper, you will have 4 questions. And
Sir, only 4 questions.
in the subjective part. And then in the objective, I think you have 16 or 17, something 18, 17, 18 questions in objective and 4 questions in subjective.
Sir, subjective questions will be how many marks?
Maybe I think 4 marks. There are 3 4-mark questions and 1 3-mark question.
Okay, sir.
Written the questions, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in question 4 and 5, we also have to check the answer.
No, just leave it. Leave the checking part.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I did not understand the fourth and fifth. Sir,
Yes, beta.
I don't understand the fourth and fifth one. The sum of the and the digit of the digit.
Beta, your voice is not clear.
Sir, he is saying that he didn't understood question 4th and 5th.
Question 4 and 5, you have not understood. These are same as questions which are given in your. I have discussed these questions. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number. These type of questions, two-digit number questions. These are important. So, do you want me to explain these?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do the rest of the three questions. I will explain these two. Don't worry.
Okay.
Hmm, 16 participants, three sections, and 16 participants. Amazing.
Sir, we have to send our answers on chat box.
Sorry, beta. Answers, yes, you can send your answers.
Sir, we have to check.
You can send your answers in the
Okay.
chat.
Sir, I have written the questions.
Very good.
Sir, I have sent the first answer. Please see.
Sir,
Sir,
I have
written.
sent 2 answers.
Sir, please see the first answer of mine.
Beta, send me all the answers.
Sir, we have to send all the answers
Excuse me,
together.
sir. My screen is coming all blanks. Can I just rejoin the meeting?
Yes, yes. Okay. I am going to now explain question number 4 and 5. Okay. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I hope you all have written the question as you have started doing them.
Yes, sir, I have written.
Bhavya has sent the answer of all the questions. Bhavya, you can check your answers. I'm going to discuss.
Okay, sir.
Just wait. Okay, so question number 4. Can you tell me what is the question? Anyone? The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. Am I right? So you can assume that the digit at the tens place is x and the digit at the ones place is 12 minus x. This is the sum of the digits. Am I right? The sum of the digit is given 12 of a 2-digit number. So x is at the tens place. अरे बताओगे नहीं बेटा? All of you are
Yes,
sleeping.
sir.
And this is at ones place. ये हमने assume कर लिया. So what is the number? The original number, original 2-digit number is 10 into x plus 12 minus x. So you can see that x is at the tens place and 12 minus x is at the ones place. New number, the new number is obtained by reversing the order of the digits. So new number 12 minus x will go at the ones place. 12 minus x will go at ones place and x will go at tens place. Sorry, 12 minus x will go at tens place and x will go at ones place. 12 minus x at the tens place and x goes at the ones place. So this is the new number. Now how are we obtaining the number? Can anyone read the question for me? The last statement of the question.
The sum of the digit of a 2-digit is 12. If new number formed by reversing the digit is greater than the original number by 54, find the original number. Check your solution.
The new number is greater than the original number by 54. So new number is greater than the original number by 54. So if you add 54 in the original number, then it becomes equal to the new number. So new number, you can see the new number is greater than the original number by 54. Original number में आप अगर 54 add करेंगे, then you get the new number. Okay. So what is your new number? Now you can put the values. The new number is 10 into 12 minus x plus x, and the original number is 10 into x plus 12 minus x. This is your original number plus 54. Plus 54. So this is the number. This is the equation. Now solve the equation. 120 minus 10x plus x is equal to 10x plus 12 minus x plus 54. Okay. Minus 10x plus x is minus 9x. 120 minus 9x is equal to 10x minus x is equal to 9x, and 12 plus 54 is equal to 66. So minus 9x you can take to RHS. 120 minus 66 is equal to 9x plus 9x. 120 minus 66 is equal to 54. 54 is equal to 18x. That means x is equal to 3. So this is your value of x. This is the value of x. Now you can find the original number. What is the number? Original number, it is equal to 10 into x. Put the value of x here. What is the value of x? 3. 10 into x, that is 3, plus 12 minus x. 12 minus 3. So 30 plus 12 minus 3 is 9. Answer is 39. This is your answer. So 39 is the answer. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how it is 9x plus 66 in the last third one.
Here,
Yes. Yes.
12 plus 54, 66. 12 plus 54 is 66. And then you take 66 to LHS, it becomes minus 66. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Sir, my answer again 93.
93? No, beta.
Yes, sir.
It is 39. The new number is greater than the original number. That means original number is 39 and the new number is 93. New number बड़ा है ना? That means original number छोटा होगा 39 the original number. So you have, I think what you have done, you have added 54 in the new number, not in the original number. Equation गड़बड़ कर दी है तुमने, या फिर यहाँ पे माइनस लिख दिया होगा.
Sir, I had written minus in the sir, I have added the 54 in the new number.
That is the mistake. You have added 54 in new number. It should be added in the original number.
Sir, I thought the original number is bigger.
No, the new number is greater. Aditya Gangwar, beta, please, have you all done this in your copies? Aditya Gangwar, can you please read out the last question for me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The digit on the tens place of a two-digit number is 3 times that in the unit place. If the digits are reversed, the new number will be 36 less than the original number. Find the original number. Check your solution.
Okay. The digit at the tens place is 3 times the digit at the units place. ये लिखा है starting में 3 times. Tens place वाली digit 3 times है.
Yes, sir. 3 times.
Okay. So you will assume that the digit at the ones place is x, ones place पर x है और tens place पर क्या है 3x है. Okay. The digit at the tens place is 3 times of the digit which is at the ones place. So original number क्या form होगा 10 into 3x plus x. New number कैसे मिलेगा? You reverse the order of the digits. यानी कि x आ जाएगा ones place पर और 3x चला जाएगा, sorry x आ जाएगा tens place पर, 3x चला जाएगा ones place पर. This is the new number and the new number is obtained by, how it is obtained? Second statement, Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Second statement.
Sir, if the digits are reversed, the new number will be 36 less than the original number.
The new number is 36 less than the original number. Original number में 36 minus करेंगे तो new number मिल जाएगा. So this is the equation. Let's solve this. Can you all solve this on your own? 10 into x plus 3x is equals to 10 into 3x plus x minus 36. Can you all solve this on your own? 13x is equal to 10x plus 3x, 13x. So 30x plus 3, this is 33x minus 36. Am I right or not? एक बार दोबारा बोलना बेटा question. Can you read the question again?
Yes, sir.
Read the question again.
The digit on the tens place of a two-digit number is 3 times that in the unit place. If the digits are reversed, the new number will be 36 less than the original number.